Here we go again on a camp, last minute camp. It's around 4 o'clock. Yeah, we're off to the camp we found the other day. So we'll get down there, we do a bit of land clearance, then we're going to set up, then we're going to get a fire going. But yep, the troops are here with me today. Tom is with us. Yep. Say hi, Tom.
Hi.
Yep. So yeah, looking forward to it, guys. So you looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
First time I've seen this camp for you, Alexa.
Yep. And Georgie.
Same as you, Georgie Porgy. You haven't been to this camp yet. Amelia have. First time for Tom as well. Grabs chicken curry night tonight, girls.
Yay.
And I hope I haven't forgot the prawn crackers. I don't think I have. We shall find out.
Yep.
My bad if I have. But we got sausages as well, so whoosh. Silly sausages. Silly daddy if we've left them behind. Oh look, people Robin. With us all the way. Hello. Beautiful. I think the Robin's coming with us, guys. All you need now is Batman. Camp just down by there. Ah, lovely day for it.
Lovely day.
Let's get down there. Yip, beep, 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 beep. Oh, we do love a camp day. Don't we, guys? We love a camp day.
Yeah.
Well done, girls. Well done.
Okay.
So yeah, almost there. Just over by there. I ho, off the camp I go. I ho. I'm not excited that much. They're off. I'm very excited. Looking forward to doing a bit of work in here now. The other day we built the fire, so that's already sorted for us. We just got to do a bit of ground clearance, that's all. Dead leaves and stingies. But they'll be gone. I brought the pruners with me today. Look at that. Nice, huh? So yep, we got clumsy Alexa with us. Keeps falling over. A bit like you, Dorian. She falls over. Bad influence.
My ankle keeps going.
Yeah. So I'm just waiting for the guys behind me now. My twin daughters. Georgie's feeling much better. And then there's my mucker Tom, one of my oldest friends, who's joined us on the camp with a hangover. Naughty Tom. So yeah, once we get camp now, we're gonna chuck our bags down. We're gonna pull ourselves together and get a camp. Enjoy, guys. Right, guys, rule number 1.
Do not touch both of those trees. They're toxic.
Yep, there's a yew tree up there.
They both, are they both toxic?
Right, it's a yew tree.
It's
Very spooky tree, but it's beautiful.
Poisonous tree in the world.
Yep, it's one of the most poisonous, right? It's very toxic, okay? So you mustn't touch it, okay?
Not both of them.
Not even wipe your hand on it or nothing, right? Yeah? Because we don't want to be sick, do we? It'll be very fatal as well.
I don't want to be sick again, do I?
A yew tree, Tom.
Do not touch. I love a yew tree.
I'll tell you a story about the yew tree later.
Yeah. Do
When
not
it's
touch
dark.
any tree.
Alexa, climbing trees,
I
hope she don't
do
fall. But yeah, she's up it.
Yeah.
So yeah, making the camp a bit more safer. Get rid of these awful brambles so the girls don't fall in them in the night. So I brought the position. Let's go now. Just cleared up the ground, opened it up, so now we've got a bigger fire area now. Girls are collecting the wood. Well done, Alexa. Yep. But, yeah, it's Tom, Georgie Porgy. They've got Amelia in the tree. So yeah, bit of work done today. A lot more work to go to make this a base camp, but I'd say for now that is perfect. Time to set our shelters up before it gets dark. Time to set up. Be right back. The girls are in the gear top. Well done, girls.
Things in here.
So you don't lose them. Well done.
That.
You're learning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doing a sleeping bags.
Tom's over there in his little tent.
We helped him with it. So he didn't do it by himself. We helped him.
You did. Well done, girls. Pat, give yourself a pat on the back. So, alright, time to sort my shelter out now.
I'm holding this to keep everything safe.
Yes, using the night cat hammer for the biddies. Go goes. First time. First time for everything, guys. Very quick setup as well. And we'll go. Get this alcohol and just stretch it out. Yes. Oh, starting to take shape now. A bit of an issue, but man, just stretch it out using the clips and the trees. But yeah, it's coming along nicely now. It's starting to get dark. But, fire and food next. Oh, like that baby hammock. Nice that. Yep. The girls setting up.
Yours is not blowing up.
Have you checked the bottom?
Yeah.
So yes, Alexa's blowing my mat up in my bibby,
Yeah.
my nightcap bibby.
It's a little mini pad.
First time using it on the floor. The girls are in their shelter, and then Tom's over there in his tent. Yeah, nice little camp. Used a piece, a bike in a tube. The guy named Roy, who I met on a camping website on Facebook, he taught me this trick. Thank you, Roy. You're a legend, my friend, and I'm looking forward, Roy, to that bushcraft experience with you, buddy. Blue, red, blue, brother. So yes, log cabin method. Happy days. We got fire. Fire, Tom. Get this fire going now. Start prepping food then, and try and get some light in this camp because it's getting really dark. Yes. Fire time. Yes. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Tom.
Yeah.
Right. Here's our kitchen area, guys. Fire's over there. Kitchen area over here. Time to get the chicken curry on. We're starving. So yeah, today guys I brought the jet boil with me, the jet boil of Timu, and then my reliable alcohol stove right here top, and my next methylated spirits in this bottle. Happy days, guys. And that's the cookers I'll be using today. So yep, my EDC bagger, everyday carry. Loads of goodies in this. And yeah, let's get some food on. There you guys, curry bowls. Perfect. £2 each. But just do the trick, Owl.
Cool, yeah, cool.
Nice, huh? Tom, you pass me that bag there, but
Right.
that kitchen bag.
There's a.
Yeah. Jamaica. Smells nice, this does.
Hmm?
Smells nice.
Is that a spicy one? Oh.
Ah?
Is that a spicy one? Oh.
No, it's a chicken tikka, babes.
Oh.
It's nice, this is.
Come as well.
Work tomorrow night. Oh, boiled in the bag rice.
That is like our boil in the bags. Kind of.
I think I'll leave that one out for a minute.
See how the rest goes, because they expand once.
Sweet.
Get some spuds on there.
Yes. I fucking like.
Walk it off. Be alright. Walk now, it'll be wet. Right?
Oh, that's better. Right then. Spuds. Spuds on. So, how's it going, brother? He's happy. Hey. Yep. Kitchen area sorted. Bit of a mess at the moment. I'm going to tidy it up in a bit. But yeah, happy days. Girls are chilling. Spuds are on. Rice is on. Curry's been prepared. Fire's going nice. And Tom's chilling. So yeah guys, food's almost done. The girls are chilling. Tom just woke up from his nap. Yeah, lovely stuff. What a peaceful place. How's it going, Tom? Yeah? Yeah, don't worry, food won't be long. Well, busy afternoon in camp. Got a busy afternoon in camp. But yeah, lovely. Yes, chicken curry and potatoes. Happy days. Oh, and don't forget the rice. Proper food. So yeah guys, naan breads. Want to make them nice and soft. Simple. Bring some flour with you. Sprinkle a bit of water on them. Wrap it up on top of the fire. Nice and soft. Happy days. Baby, 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 oh. Go on, Tom, get the rap in, son. So, you got the rap scene. Someone had too much last night.
Chicken curry. Oh, we had to dance this song once. Oh yeah. What do you mean? Oh, in the magic heck yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean? You wanna say no. What do you mean? What do you mean? You make me all mine. What do you mean? Yeah. It looks nice.
Chicken curry. How's your curry, girls?
Good.
How's your curry, Tom?
Good, mate.
Prawn crackers, girls. Spoiling you.
These are not prawn crackers.
Prawn crackers. Pompadums. So we had a chicken curry with the trimmings.
Yeah.
Now we're chilling. The girls want marshmallows. We'll get them out of the bit.
I just saw an airplane that went up to basically the moon.
Oh yeah.
Went,
You've seen a spaceship then?
It went so fast. I was like by the moon.
Oh yeah.
You'll stand before you touch it.
Marshmallow time. Girls' favourite time of the evening.
I'm trying to roast it. I love roasting.
Peace.
No, I haven't been. I haven't been.
Nice,
I have to go closer.
You
Yeah,
just-
and mine is.
Just remember not to burn yourself like last time, Georgie Porgy. Lesson learned.
Blow it before you do it. I know.
Tom rolling his rolly. Happy days. So yeah, busy afternoon. Food was amazing.
Yeah, food was absolutely amazing.
Now it's time to chill. A few beers around the fire. The girls are on the marshmallows. I'm just sat down now. I'm just about to open my orange cider.
I don't want to do the
And I have an orange cider with my mucker Tom. Tom decided to join me on the camp today. Respect, Tom. Thank you, buddy. Yep, new member of the Wild Simple Camper group. You are now. This is your second camp, is it, Tom? Third day, second camp, yeah? Yeah, so yeah. I think he's on board now. Big shout out to Dorian and Graham. Wish you were here, lads. And Graham, I've stayed away from that forbidden thing, which is down here.
I never seen that tree before
Yep,
in my whole life.
we've stayed well clear of it. I'm just glad I got company tonight after our conversation we had last night. Yes, rock, paper, scissors. But yeah, happy days.
What did you type
Be back soon.
Well, that roasted well.
Just chilling now. Yeah,
Bloody hell.
lovely afternoon. What's the matter, Tom?
This video call.
Off who?
I'll let you guess that one.
Having a beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm a orange cider. Girls are having the marshmallows.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've had a busy afternoon. I am stopped, to be honest with you guys. So it's nice to just put my feet up now. The girls are going to chill, fizzle out. They'll probably go to bed soon. And then me and Tom are on the fucking champagne. Celebrate the good old days, Tom, innit?
Yeah.
How times have changed, but yeah. Many moons ago we'd be clubbing. And now we're sat with nature, Tom. Camp Kim. Tom's been there. The girls are there. And I'm behind them. In my bivvy tent. Right, Tom?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Girls are arguing over the sleeping bag. That's norm. That's the norm. Oh, shitheads! Just get a sleeping bag. They're all the same. That's what I bought them the same for. What's up, arguing? Yeah, nice. Welcome to Camp Kim, Andy. Camp Kim. Hidden away, hidden in plain sight. Woohoo! Raging fire. Let it burn. So yes, Tom brought a giant bottle of Prosecco with him on his camp. Fair play, Tom.
Well, I was found to kit fish
Yeah,
and work.
nice. Cheers, my friend. Posh campers.
Fuck it, I'm paying 50 for drinking it.
So yeah, celebrating our first night in our new camp, Camp Kim, named after my beautiful wife. And yes, I love you, Kim, but I love this camp as well. So yeah, why not? Brought Prosecco myself. Tom brought the big bad boy Prosecco. Now I'm having some of this to celebrate my beautiful Camp Kim. Wish you was you, Kim. Love you. Mwah. Yes, nice that. Simon, top rope Simon is. Cheers, guys. This is all about. What a beautiful camp. Cheers, Simon. Cheers, my friend. He's flat out.
Huh?
So that's Tom. Got his head down. He's knackered. Yeah, Tom.
Yeah?
Good night, my friend. Yes, got his head down. So, I'm going to finish my bottle of Prosecco and then I'm going to get my head down. Nice. Absolute beautiful night, guys. Beautiful night. Look at that. Very nice. So yep, just chilling now by myself. Girls are sleeping. Tom got his head down. Bit of Fleetwood Mac now. And finish off the Prosecco. Can't beat this. Clear sky, the stars are out. And I'm only a 10-minute walk home in the morning. Perfect. Happy days. Oh, fire. Tell you what, Graham, there's some solid wood down here. It burns all fucking night, buddy. Right, all my legs leaning on now, right? I've been feeding now, right, since I got you. It's proper. It burns forever. Doesn't go up like the pine, like, but it burns. Yeah. Stars are out. Top of that hill is my street. Look at this. Look at that. Spooky looking tree, mind. But yeah, roll on the next camp, buddy. I gotta bring you down here, that's for sure. Cheers, guys. So yeah, guys, proper surprised by this camp, and this is going to be my base camp. This is proper little base camp. Thing we do on our own. my mind? Can you read my mind? Take some time to reflect. Respect to my brothers in arms, the ones who didn't come home. Also respect to the ones who are still living today and suffering for what they had to go through. Bags of respect, boys. Bags of respect. Especially for my red, blue brothers. Yeah. A big shout out to Shane. Smashing it, brother. You were smashing it. And I can't wait for you to actually come on the camp as well. Dorian keeps asking you, but I think you need to, because I found a local camp now. We aren't going to go far, buddy. Just up the road. It's 10 minutes from my house. Easy star. Lovely princess. Thank you for my beautiful rainbow, Delilah. Miss you every single day. Mwah. God bless, beautiful angel. I know you're there. So yep, we're sleeping like babies. Time for bed, I think. And here's my accommodation for the night. First time on the floor. Gotta admit, this is perfect, really, because I love hammocking, but you never know when you go on a camp. It's so versatile, isn't it? You know what I mean? So you can go out. You're either on the floor or in the air. Yeah, look at it. Perfect. So yeah, that's me and Tom.
Yeah.
We're ready to get our heads down.
Yeah.
It's been a brilliant camp. Do you agree, Tom?
Yeah.
Yep. Camp Kim. Nice one, guys. No star. And to the others means good night.
Right.
Good night from me, good night from Tom. And the girls already good night. So yeah, thank you guys. Good night, guys. I'm off in my little baby night cat hammock. Also a tent. Packer. Good night, guys. So yeah, guys, this is the bivvy. This is the night cat on the floor. I gotta admit, there's more room when you're in the hammock than it is, but it's fully enclosed. It's keeping me warm. So what more can you ask for? So yeah, I'm gonna get my head down now, guys, and see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Woke up a bit late this morning. Oops. But I woke up to a nice coffee. And the girls are making breakfast with Tom. Nice, nice surprise. But that's why I slept in last night, guys. Absolute pucker. I wanted to film when I woke up, but I lost my power lead. But anyway, guys. This is what I slept in. Perfect. Absolute perfect. This morning as well. Views of the river. Nice. Yeah, it was lovely. It's over there, so I'm finished it. Thank you, girls.
We made coffee.
And Tom supervising.
Yeah. Tom was but we did actually all of it. Yeah, we did. We made them a coffee. I love bacon, so I don't eat that. I love bacon.
What did
I'll do one. I'll do this one then. I'll do that.
Good morning.
I'll get it on. No, I want to. Look at that. Let me go to you. Skip all. I will. Not that. Which one did you do? I did good. Do the middle and then do the middle. Should we, Dad?
What's that?
Chef making group.
Well done, girls.
I think that one is okay. I'm only helping. Okay. Do you want to find like a mess tin or something that we can put them in once we're done? Yeah. Yeah? I don't know what mess tin. I think that we did it.
Yeah. Happy morning, guys. Girls are on it. Smell of bacon. I woke up and the girls are on it. And a brew. Oh, we've got some bacon on the go.
We had our oats as well. So we bought water and put and a hot chocolate.
Yep. Daddy had a lie-in today.
So we did mostly all the jobs. We made Tom a cup of tea.
Oh well,
Daddy.
well done. High five.
Tom was there woke up before, but we woke up after 8, 7, I don't know. We're gonna name this, the triple trouble cooking. Yeah. No, the triple cooking gang. Alright, if you wanna call it that. Triple cooking gang. Try cook at home now. If they cook in bacon or something, they go cook with steak.
Very nice.
Show us fluff in. Alexa, on Christmas Day we could just make the bacon outside. So, are you doing the middle one? Yeah.
So yeah, woke up to a massive surprise this morning. All on a mission. Breakfast, brews. Tom's lit a fire. Tom's crackling wood.
Yeah.
Nice, huh? Nice to have a day off.
I'm shaking my apple. Oh, can I sit on the floor with him? Yeah, if you want. Kind of mind. Yeah. Careful, because that's juicy that little bit. Yeah. Bit enough. There's like a little bit. Okay, so be careful. So we'll come close. Try and make it like so they're spitting around it. That's what will make them. Yeah. That's what will make them like.
So yep, time to leave. Thank you, guys.
Dad. Thank you. Can I say something?
Go on, go.
Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe and like.